Got all the tires put in. Yeah, there we go. So we came across a dilemma. Before I stop by Keegan's, I have to get a jack so we can put these buttes on. You can't see them. You might be able to see the one right behind me. But most of y'all might know me. I'm Connor. I work with Keegan. I'm one of his sales associates. But, oh, here we go. I'm gonna stop vlogging and driving because that's not safe, man. You should not watch Keegan do that because he's a horrible driver.
FR-S is bone stock all except for exhaust, and he's been needing help with some wheels because, as you can tell, they're not that good. And I also feel really bad for I feel really bad for my girlfriend because there's 1 Subaru, 2 Subaru, 3 Subaru, kind of a Subaru. Anyway, we are going to be working on his car, putting on some new wheels. I helped him pick out, he really wanted to do a red color, and I figured why not go with one of the brands that Sean uses on his Subaru, and we know that they're decent wheels. They're not the best, but they're decent wheels, and they're cheap. So you can see this is everything we have behind us right here. We've got new lugs, we've got new wheels, we've got the hubcaps, and then we've also got headlights to install. Headlights are going to be a pain because I have to wire in a little bit. Not exactly sure what it is yet. Probably the demon eye look. You've got the demon eyes, right?
Yeah, I think.
And so I don't know how that's gonna go. I suck at wiring, hate wiring, but I'll learn. It's really hot outside, so let's just go ahead and jump into it and get started on putting the wheels on first. That's gonna be the much easier task before we jump into the headlights. Using just this cheap generic AutoZone lug.
Not cheap, those are at least $1,000.
They're cheap. We are just using cheap lug nuts for the time being. He's got some other ones that are coming in that are open-ended, but they're back ordered until what, July?
July like 20th.
So far it's looking pretty good. I like it. In case you're wondering the specs on these wheels, they are XXRs 18 by 8.5. I don't know what the offset is. We will be torquing these down to spec after we're done. We're just doing a base tight right now with our hand, and then we'll go back with the torque wrench and torque them down. Now, after looking at this, you definitely need coilovers or lowering springs.
Yeah, I know, but it's a lot of money that I can't spend yet.
Get BC Racing. Like $1,000, but that fitment's terrible. I mean, the fitment's much better than stock, but
hey,
just
get your foot off my car.
It doesn't pass the shoe test.
Hey, Keegan, get your foot off the goddamn car.
It doesn't pass the shoe test.
Yeah, I know, but it was either coilovers or the other cool thing that's going on it in like less than, like in 10 days.
Gotta put these on.
Oh, yeah.
Ah! Got one done. While he finishes up doing that wheel, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the headlights, if I can. Hopefully we can get them done pretty quickly, because I have things that I need to do today, and it's really, really hot, and I'm sweating a lot, so I just want to be done now. That's why I hate doing anything in the summer. It's always this hot.
1 hour later.
Quick little update. We went ahead and pulled off his front bumper. It's more dangling than actually off, but it's just so I can do this and get to the bolt that's underneath, like right there. Front bumpers are always a pain to take off, so if you're curious to see how to do it, there's a side marker that you remove here, and then like 3 bolts on the bottom here, and then 1 underneath. And that's just to get it like this. There's several more holding it down there, but I don't want to remove those because I don't want to take it all the way off and then put it all the way back on. How are you feeling besides hot?
Hot, that's about it.
Yeah.
Excited. But that's about it, just excited and hot.
I'm ready for this to be done. It's way too hot, and my garage is nice and cool, but I don't want to pull it into the garage because there's not much room in it right now. Well, the bumper's back installed. Headlights are on. Look much better. They're still not wired up 100%, but I think we can go ahead and at least test to see if they work. Do you want to hop in?
Sure.
We're finally done. Oh my God, it's so hot. It's been probably about 2.5 hours. Headlights took the longest. Wheels, like I said, are gonna be really easy, but overall the improvement looks great. I really like the wheels on it. I just think it needs to be a lot lower. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, it definitely needs to be a lot lower, but I'm happy with it.
It took a long time. They're not 100% finished, but they're finished for what he wants, so that's good. Now we're gonna pull it into the garage so you can actually get a better look at what the little lights around the headlight or projector bulb looks like. And they can change colors. They're just on the red setting right now. I might have him come in here and play with the lights so you can get an idea of what it looks like. But again, it looks much better than what it did stock. I think it was definitely a good mod. And we're gonna slowly start including this car onto the channel. He's got a couple more parts that he wants to install. And then here in the future, he might do a wide body, front bumper, a bunch of stuff like that. So it's kind of cool just to play with one. I've never played with an FR-S. I've been in them before, but just not really my car, I guess. I still love them. I think they're awesome. And I'm glad that he's got one that we can put on the channel, so that's cool. And that's going to be it for today's video. I really enjoyed filming this, and I really enjoyed working on someone else's car. That's much better than working on my car all the time. I get so tired of doing it. It's the same thing all the time, I feel like, but it's nice having someone else's car. So thank you, Connor, for helping me film this, and thank you for letting me work on your car with you. And I can't wait to do more stuff to your car. I know we've got something else coming in here pretty soon, and then like we said earlier, we might have a wide body eventually. So this FR-S is going to be a part of the channel, hopefully more often. I'm not entirely sure, but if you enjoyed the content, leave a thumbs up, comment down below on what you want to see next, or what your favorite part of the video was. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We make content. Right now, it's once a month. We're trying to be better at it, but it's been very difficult with COVID and the heat, and I can't do my skate content because it's so hot. But we will be doing a giveaway here pretty soon because we did hit 3,000 subscribers a little bit ago. We do have a couple of decks that we will be hydro dipping again, and we're going to do a custom graphic on that like we did a few videos back. With that, those are probably going to be the giveaway decks. Not exactly sure what's going to happen with that yet, but I'm giving you a small update if you stayed till the end of the video. So if you did, then again, thank you. And you have an update that most people don't. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Later, guys. Oh, that was easy. Wow.